Wow!
There's the beach. Look. Maulan na umaga. Where are the birthday ates going? It's gonna be your birthday camping. Where are you going?
We're going to see the star.
Rainy day ngayon mga paps. So C5 pa lang. 3 hours to go to. Where are we going?
Batangas. Yeah.
Welcome back to the vlog mga paps. Ito na ang aming first ever car camping. Since newbie campers pa lang kami, magsisimula muna tayo sa basic. Sa isang campsite na 4 na oras lang ang biyahe mula Metro Manila. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami sa bagong adventure na to. Let's go! Das Marinas Manso.
We're gonna fetch her
Dito? Oo, dumaan tayo dyan.
from Punta Fuego going to your dorm. We passed there.
May pass there, oh. Punta dun. Where are we, baby?
In the Cebu, guys. We're
Kaya po pumasok ng club.
Calatagan. I mean, Municipality of Calatagan.
We're here.
Subscribe!
There na.
Then your destination will be on the left.
Kasi
Edna's Beach. I'm back. And
subscribe!
Ayan, nagpa-picture.
Wow!
Careful, there's branches.
Is that a tent?
Where are you now?
We're at Edna's Beach.
It's your first time camping.
This is our second time.
I saw this lang in YouTube, now I'm here.
We're back.
Now I will take good.
There's the beach. Look.
Wow!
Look, there's the campers.
Where?
There. I want to camp like that too.
Yeah, but
Oh, there's Lolo.
where? Diyan na pala si Lola.
Lola! Let me out. Is that
Let me out. Once this car stops moving, I'm opening.
Okay. I'm sleeping wherever mommy and daddy's sleeping. Cause I'm the bebe. Why did you call him boss?
There's Lolo na. Hey, Dad.
Baby, love you.
May hammock ka pala, Dad.
Ngayon pala nagamit yan.
I'm touching the floor.
There's Lola. She's like you, was looking for beach stuff.
Yeah.
First car camping. Mga paps. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Lola. Wait. Bye.
White sand at mapino ang beach dito sa campsite. At kalmado ang shoreline dahil may breakwater na humaharang sa hampas ng alon ng dagat. Wow!
Lagyan mo na yung mga stuff natin dito rin.
Tapos adjustable siya. Medyo late na kami nakarating, mga 4:30 ng hapon. Kaya agad na kami nag-set up ng camp para makahabol sa sunset at masulit ang golden hour vibes. Low tide din ngayon, Pero expected ang high tide bukas ng umaga. Ito, Decathlon tent ba to?
Decathlon ito.
Yan.
Madali itong set up. Detail do. Yan.
So yan mga paps, noob campers. First time ko lang talaga mag-camp dito eh. So ito, hindi ko gear to. Gear ni Airpat. So si Airpat, siya talaga yung mahilig mag-camp. Pero yung mga bata, gusto ko na yung ma-experience. Yan si Airmat. So ito yung setup mga paps. Decathlon chairs. Ito hindi ko pa nasi-set up, kakabili ko lang kanina. Fire pit. So dito na yung auto, dalawa. So yan, cabin na yan ang nirenta namin. So yan, kita nyo, may mga campers sa paligid. Yan, sunset na mga paps. Anong puno to? Mangrove ba to? Wow. Stig. Are you wearing slippers? Might step on an urchin, ha?
I want to eat the urchin.
Kanina, Izzy and I saw a starfish and we took a picture with it.
Nasaan na?
I don't know. It's hard to see it.
Anong ganun no? Lumubog na. Parang tabletop siya.
Pagod pala mag-camping. Pawis na ako. Pagod mag-set up. Kapag beach camping ka din dati doon.
Hindi.
Next time doon tayo doon sa Caliraya Surf Camp. Parang okay din. Mahangin doon, di ba?
Nandun.
Tapos meron may mga tiny house doon yan. Nakita ko eh.
Container house yun. So, yung mga girls, hindi problema yung banyo, yung tulugan, di ba?
Tapos nasa harap lang siya ng campsite mismo. Parang harap ng tubig.
Pero hindi pwede doon magka-camp.
Dun sa bahay.
Pusit. Barbecue.
Uy, sarap! Wow! Yan ang buhay sa Mandiso. Tuesday na.
So hindi pala kami ang pinaka-late paps. Meron pang dumating gabi na. Time check. 6:44. Yummy. Did you come out for mallows? Me too.
Ang sarap ko. Ganyan. Tapos doon ang tent sa dulo. Yung tent. So pag lalabas ka ng tent, nasa loob ka. So kahit umuulan, pasok ka ng tent, labas ka ng tent. Okay. Nilapitan ako ng iba. Ang ganda ng setup mo ah.
Are you exploring in the dark?
Asan na? Go there. Rocky! Did I get that? Ulan.
I-close it na. It's raining, I close it ha.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at it inside Ate Mali, get it! Ooh, ah!
Nice.
Dada, put umbrella to me. The princess.
Good night.
Nice.
Ikaw
May video siya sa Decathlon.
Parang kung na yung nagigising. Tapos pagbukas niya, likat lang.
Really?
Good morning, Paps. As you can see, maulan na umaga. It's raining, Bonbon.
Yeah. I wanna sit but it's wet.
Basa pati yan.
Yeah.
Huh? Maulan na ito.
Why does the ocean look so... It looks like the sky.
Yeah, it's like they're blended.
Snake. An eel.
Did you see the sea snake?
Oh my goodness.
There's the sea urchins.
I know. I tried this at the restaurant.
So ito yung mga setup ng mga ibang guests pa dito, mga Paps. So dito karamihan ng mga car campers. And then mga moto campers. Big. Nag-rent kami ng cottage since beginner campers pa lang kami. Nasa around 8.5k per night ang rate nito, all-inclusive na for 6 packs.
Island hopping is cancelled because of the bagyo.
Sabi ng Coast Guard?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sabi nung bankero.
oh, yung nakaano doon, yung nakadaong doon.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Okay then. Ano ba? No island hopping daw? Plano sana namin mag-island hopping papunta sa Little Boracay dito sa Calatagan. Pero dahil sa Tropical Storm Ramil, hindi na siya natuloy. Next time na lang, mga Paps!
Daddy, come here and swim.
Since walang island hopping, ibang klaseng boat trip na lang ang susubukan natin.
Look, you can see the kelp. Where? But I want the...
I know we're at the kelp. Wait, don't...
Guys, I didn't know my sisters were that maarte. What, baby? Nothing.
Okay. Yes.
Hello, Lola.
Yan lang oh.
What is the princess using? Cup noodle? Gutumon?
What are they doing pa din sa laman?
Nag-aano pa ng mga shell? She ate hotdog and rice? What, baby? Is still a baby?
Hit and miss. Parang inaabangan yung sunrise. Hindi alam sa kabila yung sunrise saka cloudy.
Patuloy ang ulan at kulimlim sa oras ng check-out namin ng 12 p.m. Pero dahil simple lang ang aming camp setup, mabilis naming natapos ang pag-pack up. Ay ma'am, gusto niya mag-lunch Tagaytay?
dyan. Bye-bye.
See you.
Love you.
Later, Dad, lunch tayo. Sa Tagaytay, Dad. Bago umuwi, one last stopover muna.
Ano ka, mag-hi ka doon? Sa video ni Daddy. Oh, why did you say that?
What's the camera?
Okay.
Ayan.
I went already so far out. Doon sa may mga boat na. And it was still very shallow. But I still couldn't find a single one. I only found one dead fish.
Next time, we'll get camping in the river.
What?
River Ranch.
Akala ko next time, no more camping.
But we are still noob campers. Dapat magsama pa rin tayo ng veteran camper.
We need to camp in an actual tent. Sleeping in the tent this time.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa first time car camping namin ay bitin ng overnight stay. At kahit maulan, sobrang saya pa rin. Iba talaga ang feeling ng camping vibes. Perfect na pang relax sa outdoors at mag-bonding with family. Siyempre uulitin natin to, kaya abangan nyo sa next camping adventure. Please like and subscribe mga paps. Hanggang sa muli!